In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change multiple Excel chart series colors at once. Open Excel, then open the workbook from the Scene Setup. Once the workbook is on screen, click once on the column chart in the sheet. You only need a single click here. When the chart is selected, a black border appears around it. You should also see the Chart Design tab and the Format tab appear on the ribbon at the top. That confirms Excel is treating the chart as the active object, which is what gives you access to the built-in chart color controls. Now click the Chart Design tab on the ribbon. In the Chart Styles group, which is around the center left area of the ribbon, click Change Colors. This opens a drop-down gallery with two sections. The first section is called Colorful, and it contains 4 multi-hue palette choices. The second section is called Monochromatic, and it contains 13 single-hue palette choices. This gallery is where Excel lets you update the full chart color scheme in one action, instead of changing each series one at a time. Start in the Colorful section. Move your pointer over any of the palette options without clicking yet. As you hover, Excel previews the change live on the chart behind the menu. That means you can see how all 4 series will look before you apply anything. When you find the one you want, click Colorful Palette 3, or click any colorful palette you prefer. As soon as you click, all 4 series update at once. No individual series selection is needed. Next, open the same gallery again by clicking Change Colors one more time. This time, move down to the Monochromatic section. Hover over Monochromatic Palette 1 through 13, and watch the live preview each time. With these options, every series switches to a different shade of the same base color. That keeps the series visually separate while making the chart look more unified. When you see the one you want, click Monochromatic Palette 5, or choose any monochromatic palette you prefer. Excel instantly applies that shaded color scheme across all 4 series. At this point, the chart updates all series together without you ever clicking a single series to recolor it manually. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. The end result is that the chart series for laptops, tablets, phones, and monitors all change to the new palette at the same time using Excel's built-in Change Colors gallery.